And we waiting on Ross and Richardson and Thomas, Dixon Thomas to come out.
Mentioned Richardson Stone, and we was hearing that one.
Okay, everybody has came out except Richardson. Richardson is the last one.
That Richardson Stone.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Looks like he's going way too now. Oh, there you go. Might have to go in and get him.
You go in, you can't come out.
Well, what?
Or maybe that was just me.
Stone Richardson. Hmm. All right. That's what I'm talking about.
God bless you.
You brought him out?
No, I just went in there and then left. I went in there for 1 second.
And good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Could you please, everyone, please keep your devices on mute until your name is called. Okay, Mr. Stone Richardson is coming out of the meeting. Okay, the 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, smoking, anything that will distract the court. When your name is called, unmute your devices and give the court your full attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway, and good morning, Mr. Prempeh.
Good morning.
We can do Stone Richardson. This is the people versus Mr. Richardson. You can unmute yourself. This is the people versus Stone Richardson. Ticket number P1239591, count 1, registration and or plate violation, no plate. Ticket number P1239590, count 1, driving registered or entitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driver's license never acquired. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Prempeh.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. Stone Richardson, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in such fashion. Mr. Richardson, would you please state your name for the record?
Stone Richardson.
Your Honor, my client would like to accept the offer extended by the people to resolve his matter today, and that is a plea of guilty to the charge of driver's license never acquired and a plea of responsible to the no plates charge with a dismissal of the no registration and no insurance charges.
All right, Mr. Richardson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Prempeh today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 20th, 2021 at approximately 7:02 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near the location of East Jefferson Avenue and Harbortown Drive, in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
you drive a 2005 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And did you not have a driver's license?
No.
All right. You're satisfied with the factual basis, Mr. Prempeh?
So satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, you stipulate to the face of the ticket and ticket number ending in 591.
So stipulated.
All right, and then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts of ticket number ending in 590.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will dismiss those counts without prejudice, will amend the charges you made admissions to fail to display, and will proceed to disposition. There is going to be a fine, Mr. Richardson, of $170. This will be for the civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay it, which would be by June 9th. You can pay it by then. You can do.
Can I pay it by June 20?
You can do, can you, because this is what I was gonna do. I was gonna waive the fine for the other ticket, but I need you to pay this very quickly. So you can't pay it by June 9th?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. Are you sure? Because it'll go into default if you can't.
Yes, I most definitely be able to pay it.
Okay, so have that paid by June 9th, the civil infraction. I'm gonna waive the fine for the other ticket, and then everything else is dismissed. Did you have any questions?
No, no, thank you.
Okay, so you're all set, sir.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Shit. Oh my God. What the hell?
Okay, you said, which one was the dismissal, Mr. Prempeh?
Ms. Rollins. Cheyenne Rollins.
This is the people versus, you can unmute yourself, Ms. Rollins. Cheyenne Rollins, ticket number SP 1159980, count one, no operator's license on person. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Prempeh.
Jabari Prempeh, P 81745, on behalf of Ms. Cheyenne Rollins, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion. Ms. Rollins, would you please state your name for the record?
Hi, my name is Cheyenne Rollins.
Thank you. Your Honor, as an officer of the court, I assert that I have seen a valid driver's license. Ms. Rollins did produce a valid driver's license and did show it to me via Zoom. I did confirm that it is a valid license, and therefore respectfully am requesting a dismissal of this matter for valid documentation.
All right, the ticket is dismissed without prejudice, as an officer of the court, Ms. Prempeh has observed the document, and it was in fact valid. So you are all set, Ms. Rollins. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You said something was a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor. Romari Daniel.
Okay. Mr. Daniel, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
This is a People versus Romari Daniel, ticket number P1092356, count one, open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. Ticket number P11022478, count one, drive on license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket numbers P975291, count one, drove on license not valid or improper license. Count two, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 975291. One moment. 2, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P975291. That's the same one. Never mind. Ticket number 398690, count 1, no operators permit. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Jabari Prempeh, P 81745, on behalf of Mr. Ramari Daniel, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in such fashion. Mr. Daniel, would you please state your name for the record?
Ramari Daniel.
Your Honor, having spoken with my client, he wishes to set these matters for trial.
Mr. Daniel, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
I said, yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea set it for a bench trial for July 7th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
You are all set.
I got you. Calm down.
You're all set, sir.
Okay, you said what time? That's my only question.
9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You can have a blessing.
Thank you too. Javante Respis.
Yes.
Versus Javante Respis, ticket number P1165151, count 1, defective brakes, count 2, disregard signal red or amber, count 3, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner, ticket number P1185328, count 1, reckless driving, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Prempeh.
Good morning, Jabari Prempeh, P 81745, on behalf of Mr. Javante Respis, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion. Mr. Respis, would you please state your name for the record?
Javante Respis.
Your Honor, this being the date and time for trial, I'm respectfully asking if the officer is available for the proceeding.
And I think it was Officer Roberts, and it's my understanding that Officer Roberts did in fact check in.
Yes.
Okay, so he did check in.
That being the case, Your Honor, my client would like to accept the people's offer to resolve his matter, and that is a plea of guilty to the count of reckless driving, with the remaining matters being dismissed.
It also looked like pleaded responsible for defective brakes.
I'm sorry, that is correct, Your Honor, and I did discuss that with my client as well.
All right, Mr. Respis, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Prempeh today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Knowing that you're pleading guilty, you understand you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of April 12, 2021, at approximately 6:35 p.m. on that date time where you at near the location of East Forest Avenue and East Grand Boulevard in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
You drive a 2004 Mazda vehicle.
Yes.
And were you driving in a reckless manner?
I beg your pardon?
Were you driving in a reckless manner?
No.
Sounds like you're not guilty, so you want to set this for trial?
Well, yes, I was driving in a safer manner because I was trying, yes.
Mr. Respite,
You're satisfied, Mr. Prempeh, with factual basis?
satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm also satisfied with factual basis. We'll accept the admission to the reckless driving charge and we'll dismiss the remaining counts. Mr. Prempeh, well, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and then I should have asked this first, but you stipulate to the face of the ticket as to the civil infraction of defective brakes.
So stipulated.
All right, so the court will dismiss the remaining counts without prejudice, and we will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of 100 and one moment. Okay, there is gonna be a fine of $200 for the civil infraction, and it's gonna be due in 14 days, which will be June 9th. I will waive the fine for the reckless driving, but you gotta pay the $200 by June 14th. Okay,
Okay.
Mr. Rice?
All right.
All right, any questions? If you don't pay, it's gonna go into default. Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. All right, Cassandra Dixon Thomas, this is, you can unmute yourself. This is the People versus Cassandra Dixon Thomas, ticket number P1235994, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Prempeh.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Ms. Cassandra Dixon Thomas, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in such fashion. Ms. Dixon Thomas, would you please unmute your microphone and state your name for the record? She had a bad connection the whole time. It was really bad.
All right, so what do we call that? This is the People versus D'Angelo Russ, ticket number SP1231414, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Prempeh.
Jabari Prempeh, P81745, on behalf of Mr. D'Angelo Russ, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in such fashion. Actually, he is present via telephone over Zoom. Mr. Russ, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is D'Angelo Russ.
Your Honor, and I guess I'm asking the clerk just the same. Mr. Russ represented that he gave a copy of his documentation, particularly valid insurance, to a clerk of the court, a clerk in the courthouse, who said they would submit it to the court. So my first question is, did anyone receive that documentation, or is it in his file?
Well, I do see an offer of dismiss without prejudice due to valid documentation. So that is the offer. And you stipulate proper cause, Mr. Prempeh?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Right, so the ticket is dismissed without prejudice. And you're all set, Mr. Russ. Good luck to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. Did you say, are you done?
I think he said thank you.
Oh, okay. You're welcome. All right. We're recalling the people versus Cassandra Dixon Thomas. Ms. Thomas? Okay. I think she should turn her video off because I think I might. Ms. Thomas, why don't you keep your video off? Because that might make your connection better. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, we're recalling the people versus Cassandra Dixon Thomas, ticket number P1239594, count one, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Prempeh.
Jabari Prempeh, P 81745, on behalf of Ms. Cassandra Dixon Thomas, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in such fashion. Ms. Dixon Thomas, would you please state your name for the record?
Cassandra Dixon Thomas.
Your Honor, my client would like to accept the people's offer to resolve her matter today, and that is to plead to a 3-month delayed sentence.
Can you raise your right hand, Ms. Dixon Thomas?
Do I need to turn my camera on?
No, just let me know when your hand is raised.
It's raised.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Prempeh today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Cabinet direct your attention to the date of August 20th, 2021 at around 7:03 p.m. on that date time were you at or near the location of East Jefferson Avenue and Harbortown Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you inside of a 2005 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
And did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive?
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Prempeh?
So satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied with factual basis. And we'll accept the admission, and this is a delayed sentence. So, court is gonna order a fine of $200. You do have to August 25th to pay that, Ms. Dixon Thomas. And then it's, or if you pay it before.
Okay.
This will be dismissed.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
You are all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's, oh, that will be the review date. Oh, so I'm sorry. We're gonna come back on August 25th.
Okay. If I pay it before, then it'll be dismissed.
That's the only way, because if you don't pay, that's when I'm gonna check. That's when I'm gonna check. If she paid, she don't have to show.
If you pay it, you don't have to show up.
Okay.
you don't pay it, then you need to show
Okay,
up.
thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
So,
okay, Miss Heavenly Doris just, she zoomed out. I put it back in the breakout room. But could you do Rodriguez so Miss Cox we can get the Spanish interpreter out the way?
sure.
And I'll put her in there with him.
Which breakout room is that?
Ms. Rodriguez is in breakout room 13,
Okay.
and I'll put Ms. Cox in room 13.
Beverly's here. Thank you.
Mhm. Okay, Ms. Doris, I'm gonna put you back into a breakout room.
Okay.
Your Honor, could we call, okay, Tobias Reed, he's here. Let me see. No, I'll tell him to do Tobias Reed's next, because the officer, he's here. Hmm.
Did you talk to Tobias?
No, not yet. He got like 5 more people to go.
I called, they not ready.
I'm gonna pull him out in exactly 2 minutes. Because got a lot more to go. That's what I'm going to do.
Okay, as long as you got it ready.
Mhm.
Tamika, she over there now. Okay, how many people y'all have? No? They don't have a whole lot. Tamika still getting offered. Yeah.
Okay. Look here, they're ready.
You call them? Yeah, isn't it? He said they got.
William Jefferson. Dickerson. He's 130. Hi, Officer Perinello. He still haven't talked to your client yet, so we don't know if he's gonna take a plea yet or not.
Okay, but my client is here. I'm sorry, not my client.
Yes, yes,
Reese is here. Okay,
he is.
okay.
Okay, so just be patient. I'll put you back in the waiting room.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room.
Yep.
Do we have a Dickerson that just tuned in?
Yep, for the afternoon. I'm gonna bring him in after I rename.
Oh,
Officer-
he was for the afternoon?
Yep.
Oh, okay, we won't see him now anyway.
Okay, I'm putting Officer Reed back into the break waiting room. Okay. Going to do her other docket.
Huh?
She's gone to do her other docket.
Yeah, she'll be right back though. She went to Millhouse.
Oh,
She
okay.
got two, she's doing 2 courtrooms.
Wow.
So when she come back, hopefully we'll have everything ready. She's
Yeah.
gonna go to Millhouse and then she's coming back here. Millhouse will be real fast. Yeah, that's where the net is. Net know what she's doing and everything.
Yeah, I know that. I'm gonna bring them out of that that breakout room in a minute. Because that's taking too much time. Going to bring them out in a minute.
Yeah, but if he ain't finished talking to him, then it don't matter. I mean, bringing them out.
Okay.
Unless he trying to get out and I see, because you gotta check on him.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta check on him. I see what you're saying, yeah. What's today?
The 20, you talking me 25th? Okay. And bring it out.
Okay, so whenever the court's ready, Arbitro Rodriguez is ready, along with the court interpreter.
And also, could you go and check and see what since the officer is here, what Tobias Reed is going to do, and he's in so we can know whether or not to let the officer go, and he's in breakout room number 12.
Okay, we'll do.
Mr. Pompey?
Yes.
You got time to go
Yes.
ahead and talk to everybody because she's went to another courtroom right now?
Okay, I'll do my best.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Pedway, we are done with Mr. Prempeh.
Yeah, and that's what he just said. So-
Yeah, but we can't get out ourselves either, so I think,
Okay, and that's why I brought you out.
yeah, Mr. Rodriguez is still in there, I believe.
So we gonna bring out the defendant with the rest of them. Hopefully he can do all of them. Mr. Dickerson. Mr. Dickerson. Mr. Dickerson.
Hey, Mom. Let me give you your medicine for today.
This,
You're gonna eat in a little while, but I think you have time to take it. All right. Yep.
okay. Louis, would there be an afternoon docket? I hope not.
Hey, Darnell, I'm sorry, I heard you, but I was on the phone. We do have an afternoon.
Okay. We're not doing sign and fly.
You know what? I'm gonna ask her. She may, she don't do sign and fly on Wednesdays, but she's
I
doing
know.
she's doing 2 other courtrooms. So I'm gonna ask her if she'll sign and fly.
And that's why I asked, were we doing sign and fly? Because, hey,
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, because I got some catch-up work I need to be doing.
this is just a little too much for me. He must have left back out because I can't find him, so I gotta wait till he come back. The house council, so.
Are they still talking to people?
He left out. I'm waiting, I gotta wait for him to come back.
Cause it look like he's in, what's that, 12?
No, I thought that was, hold on, let me check.
Yeah, he's in 12.
Oh, he's still talking about Tobias Reese. I'm about to, Tobias Reese got several cases. I'm gonna give him one more minute before I bring him out. You gotta do them other courtrooms this afternoon too?
You know, I don't know how she gonna handle that. If they got afternoons or not, I don't know. She probably gonna tell them to sign and fly too. I don't know.
Wow. Oh, boy, oh boy. I'm a- Okay, you know what Reese going to do? Council? Are you on mute?
Sorry about that. What's that?
What is Reed?
Oh, he's gonna accept the plea offer.
Okay, I tell him so he can leave.
Right, fair enough.
Okay. Ms. Cox, we still waiting for the judge to get back.
Okay.
Okay. Officer Perinello. Officer Perinello. You don't need me to put you in another room, do you, counsel?
Actually, I need to speak with the clerk regarding Ramon Rollins.
I think he stepped out. Lewis, I think he stepped out. Okay, Officer Perinello, you can leave. He gonna take the plea.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Which client is that, Ramon?
Rollins, yes. 1 second, I'm trying to, okay, no. Looking for him on the docket first. Thing is, I only have one charge on the docket, but apparently he has at least 2 tickets. So I need to know what the other charges are.
Okay.
And yeah, I guess the corresponding ticket numbers. Rollins, 242.
Okay, we got 242 count 1, that's on the docket. Got a U ticket. Well, before I give you information, let me just run these tickets and see what's going on with them. 473-261. Okay, U ticket. U47. Oh, you got it on our recommendation, right?
Yeah, I see the number, but what is the charge?
Okay, violation of city marijuana code. And that's in warrant status.
Okay.
And
go ahead.
And then let me see what's going on with this other one. Case ending in 278 SP ticket. That's in
Okay,
warrant
hold on 1
status
second.
and driver's license never acquired. That's count
So
1.
D78 count 1 is driver license never required?
Yeah, 2781. And count 2.
Okay.
Count 2 is no insurance. Both of them in warrant
Okay.
status.
All right, there's more.
Yeah, I'm pulling them now. Case in 073, a state matter.
Hold on. 073?
Count 1.
Oh, see, I don't even, that's not even on the plea agreement.
It's
Can you give me the whole ticket number?
Yeah, SP 84507
Okay.
That's failed to display.
Okay.
Not on person.
All
Count
right.
two of that same ticket is a silver infraction, and it's in default status. Count 3 is a misdemeanor.
What is the infraction?
Oh, okay, let me go
For
back.
count 2.
Count 2. Defective brake lights. And count 3 is no
Okay.
insurance. And they all state matters. Okay, now I'm going through, let's see, SP 5466961. Then the warrant status.
Hold on one second, I'm sorry. P546696.
1.
Yeah,
That's Joe while license not valid. It's in the warrant status. Count 2. No insurance.
okay.
And I'm trying to make sure I ain't got this, not a duplicate. Yeah, this looks like a duplicate. Get rid of that. Okay, I have SP 172731. That's count
Yep.
1.
Yep.
He's already pled on that one. That's a review. He pled guilty on that one, May 28, 2014, and he owes
Okay.
$506 on that.
Okay. All right.
I said May 28, 2014. Okay, and let's see. 2016 case. 16298472, count 1. Joe while license not valid. It's in warrant status. Count 2.
Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My apologies. 16298.
Yeah, 16298472-1.
Okay.
Count 2 of that same ticket. No insurance.
What was count 1?
Count 1 was Joe while license not valid or improper.
All right.
Now count.
Wow.
Yeah, it's only 2 counts to that.
Okay.
And so I have another 16 ticket. 16-283-7791. No operators license on person. That's count 1. And count 2, no insurance. And that's it.
That's enough.
Okay.
Okay. And are those 16 tickets, are those state tickets?
Only one was that only that one was state tickets.
Okay. So I don't have plea offers on all of the city tickets then. So
Well, I kind of mixed them up, but she had dismissal on a lot of them city tickets. They on the plea. Oh, they not on the plea
no.
agreement?
No, I have some, but not all of those. Definitely not all of those.
The only one you shouldn't have on there, because she normally don't put on, is that state ticket. That with that 073. But I'll call her back over here because it looked like she was dismissing everything that's not being pled to. Because she got a yellow sticky on dismissal. So
Well, let me double check this. 961727. Okay, wait. 16. Yeah, it's the 1629847 is not there. The 16 tickets aren't there.
the 16 tickets.
Yeah, they're not on the plea form.
She got a little sticky note, dismiss those SP 16 tickets.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, all those 16 tickets look like she wrote a little sticky number, dismiss.
Okay.
Except for that one that's a 2014. He already pled on that one, and that was
Right.
back in 2014. So I don't know how they want to handle that, you know.
But we still got these state tickets out there.
Yeah.
SB 45. I mean, I guess we could still resolve everything but the state tickets.
Memorandum of understanding won't handle that.
I'll
There was
check.
a display, the effective blades and no insurance.
I'll check. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? Hold on one second. Mr. Duplessis. Unmute your device. Mr. Duplessis. I'm sorry if I jacked up your name. Why did you come out the breakout room?
My phone died on me, and the only way for me to enter back through was by me.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you back in the breakout room, and I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 20.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Madam Interpreter, you need something?
Yes. No, I'm sorry. I thought that you were talking to Mr. Rodriguez. So,
No. Okay.
No, I'm still here though.
I know you are.
All right.
All right, Donnell, we don't have any more surprise people that checked in that I don't know about, right? Here comes the judge. Yep.
Sorry.
The interpreter, what's the case on interpreter?
Mr. Rodriguez. Heriberto Rodriguez.
Okay.
All right, we can do Alberto Rodriguez.
Okay. Let me bring him out, Rodriguez.
Actually, Darnell, I think we can bring everybody out.
Oh, okay.
Oh, really?
Am I correct, Mr. Front?
No.
Oh,
no.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry.
Can I bring out everything?
No.
Well, I bring out Mr. Rodriguez. And who else can I bring out?
That's the only person at this time.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Tobias Reese.
Tobias Reese.
And they still have, did they call Judge Robert?
Yeah, they ready on some stuff.
Some stuff?
I mean.
Are we waiting on people? What are we doing?
We can call Mrs. Rodriguez case.
Oh, yeah, let's do that one. All right. This is the people versus Alberto Rodriguez, ticket number U6008131, count 1. Offer to engage services of another for an act of prostitution. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Prempeh.
Jabari
Your Honor.
Prempeh, PA1.
Maria Cox, I'm the Spanish interpreter.
I forgot about you, Ms. Cox.
It's okay.
You raise your right hand, Ms. Cox. Do you swear or affirm to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to the best of your ability?
I do.
Do you need me to go slower so you can do that again?
No,
or-
as long as you break every so often, that would be great.
Okay, you can go ahead and interpret.
Ok, señor Heriberto Rodríguez, llamaron a su caso 1-600-81321 y pidieron que dijeran los nombres, empezando con el abogado.
Okay. Sí.
Yes.
All right. You can say your name, Mr. Prempeh.
Jabari Prempeh, P. 8175, on behalf of Mr. Heriberto Rodriguez, present via Zoom. Mr. Rodriguez, would you state your name for the record, please?
Este es el señor Prempre representando al señor Heriberto Rodríguez, el cual está aquí presente por medio de Zoom. Señor Rodríguez, por favor, diga su nombre completo.
Heriberto León Rodríguez.
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, he would like to accept the people's offer to resolve his matter today, and that is a plea to guilty to the charge, then to be amended downward to a disorderly conduct charge with 6 months of probation and the completion of an HIV STI test.
Su honoría, después de hablar con mi cliente, él está de acuerdo a declararse culpable y que le rebajen el cargo a conducta desordenada con 6 meses de libertad condicional y someterse a un análisis de VHI.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, can you raise your right hand?
Señor Rodríguez, por favor, levante la mano, aunque no lo podamos ver.
Okay.
Okay.
Sí.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura decir la verdad y nada más la verdad?
Sí. Yes.
Yes.
Put your hand down.
Puede bajar la mano.
You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Prempeh today in private about your case and your rights.
Señor, usted ha tenido la oportunidad de hablar en privado con el señor Prempre sobre su caso y sus derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea?
¿Alguien lo ha amenazado o chantajeado o ofrecido algo de valor para que usted se declare culpable hoy?
No.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
¿Se está declarando culpable porque usted es en realidad culpable?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you waive your right to trial?
¿Usted sabe que al declararse culpable está renunciando al derecho de tener un juicio?
Yes.
Knowing that you waive your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Y sabiendo aún así que está renunciando a ese derecho, ¿aún quiere continuar con su declaración de culpable?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 4th, 2021 at approximately 7:55 p.m.
Quiero que se acuerde del día 4 de agosto a las 8, alrededor de las 8 de la noche.
Sí. Yes.
Yes.
That day time you added near the location of John R. and I don't know what this street is. Another street in the city of Detroit.
Usted en ese momento estaba en la calle que se llama John R. y la otra no lo puedo leer en la ciudad de Detroit.
Yes.
Did you engage in disorderly conduct?
¿Usted estuvo involucrado en conducta desordenada?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Prempeh?
So satisfied, Your Honor.
¿Satisfecho, señor Prempre? Él contestó que sí, satisfecho.
We're gonna give me one moment.
Un momentico, por favor.
Okay, so the court is gonna order 6 months probation. We're gonna proceed to sentencing. It's gonna be 6 months probation. You need to also participate in HIV STI testing.
La corte vamos a proceder a dictar sentencia. Lo vamos a poner bajo libertad supervisada condicional por 6 meses y también tienen que someterse a un examen de HBI y STDs, enfermedades transmitidas sexualmente.
We don't need to know
Yes.
the results. We just need to know that you just need to provide proof that you did the testing. And the court is also gonna add that you participate in the misdemeanor morality course.
Usted no tiene que entregarnos los resultados, esos pueden quedarse en privado, pero tiene que mostrarnos la prueba que sí se hizo el examen. Además, la corte va a imponer que usted participe en una clase de esta clase de delitos de decencia.
Yes.
There's gonna be a fine, of $240, which will include the court cost fees and attorney fees.
También va a tener una multa de $240, lo cual incluye el costo de la corte, del abogado.
Yes.
And then your next date is going to be November 24th at 8:35.
Y la próxima fecha va a ser el 24 de noviembre. Your Honor, at 8:35,
Yes.
a las 8:35 de la mañana.
Un momentito. Noviembre.
Just a minute, November
24.
24,
Ajá.
a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Now, there's a couple of phone numbers that I need you to write down. You have pen, paper?
Hay unos números de teléfono que necesita que escriba. ¿Tiene lápiz y papel?
Yes.
First number is 313-965-3414. That's to set up your probation.
El primero es 313-965-3414.
965.
965-3414.
3414.
Y ese es el
Ok.
número del Departamento de Libertad Condicional de Probación.
313-965-3414.
He repeated, Your Honor, 313-965-3414.
Yes.
I did catch that from high school Spanish, so I caught that. There's another phone number that is 313-864-8205. That's for the misdemeanor morality courts.
Y el otro es,
864.
no, este es un número diferente. 313-864-8205. Y ese es donde tiene que inscribirse en el curso sobre moralidad.
Ok, 313.
864-8205.
864-8205. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and Mr. Rodriguez, can you send me a chat of your phone number? Send it to me, Honorable Raeigen Evans, so that we can have your phone number.
La jueza quiere saber si usted le puede mandar por medio del chat que estamos aquí su número de teléfono al honorable Raeigen Evans. ¿Se lo puede hacer eso?
Yo no sé hacer eso.
I don't know how to do that. Your Honor, I can get it and give it to you if that's okay with you.
Well, he can just give it to me. It's hopefully nobody calls. Just give me your phone number, sir.
Okay, por favor, dígale su nombre, su teléfono a ella.
248-812-6372.
Okay. So you're all set, sir.
Ya terminamos, señor.
Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Okay, buena suerte.
Y por el dinero, ¿cuándo lo tengo que pagar?
And when do I need to pay this by?
You pay by November 24th.
Tiene que pagarlo antes del 24 de noviembre.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day. Bye, Mr. Pempre.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Okay, are we ready to minus 3?
Yes, Your Honor.
Versus Tobias Reese. Ticket number SP1187537, count 1, drive while license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP1099048, count 1, improper plates, count 2, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Frank Pay.
Jabari Prempeh, P 81745, on behalf of Mr. Tobias Reese, who is present via Zoom and consents to proceeding in this fashion. Mr. Reese, would you please state your name for the record?
Tobias Reese.
Your Honor, after reviewing the matter with my client, he would like to accept the people's offer to resolve his matter with the plea to improper plates and 1 count of driving while license suspended, both to be amended downward to failures to display, and dismissal of the count, another count of driving while license suspended and no insurance.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Reeves. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Prempeh today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 24, 2020 at approximately 9:16 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near the location of West Outer Drive and Rouge Drive in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Driving a 2005 Lincoln vehicle.
Wait, you said what time?
9:16 p.m.
I remember getting pulled over, but I don't remember it being that late. It was during the day.
Well, it's summertime, so you understand that at 9 o'clock it could probably still be light outside.
Okay, yes. Yes.
So were you driving a 2005 Lincoln vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have improper plate?
Yes.
And did you also drive while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Prempeh?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied with factual basis. We'll amend the, I think it's count 2 to fail to display, and then you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, so they'll dismiss without prejudice, and we'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a fine, Mr. Reese, of we'll do $200. Can you pay that by June 30th?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
Can I make installment on it, or do it have to be paid in full just by June 20th, no matter how I pay? I mean 30th.
You can start making installments. You just have to have it paid by that date.
Yes, sure.
You can do it online. You can call in. Do you need a phone number?
Okay.
Do you need the phone number? No.
No. I'll pay it online.
You're all set, sir.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Anything else?
There's only a few more matters that I have to deal with, but I do have an issue with Ramon Rollins, Your Honor, if I could, if you'd indulge me for a moment. And that's because he has a couple of state charges, one being failure to display and the other defective brake lights, which are not covered, I don't believe, by the MOU to my knowledge. It looks like we have a way to resolve all of the remaining charges, but not the state. So I'm asking how Your Honor might be inclined to deal with it.
How many state cases does he have?
It looks like one ticket with 2 charges, one being a failure to display and the other a defective brake lights.
I'll dismiss it. Oh, is that a?
Want me to reach out? I can reach out, see if she.
Yeah, let's see if we can send it to her and see if she gets back to us. If she doesn't get back to us shortly, then we'll deal with it. Are you ready?
Okay, No, not at this time. A few minutes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna go do 2 more matters at the house and I'll come back here. And then Robin's just gonna have to wait.
Yeah, they said, thank you.
Hey, Paula, this is Tamika Horn with the city. We're hoping that you're able to zoom in on a matter in courtroom 334, and that's courtroom 334. We're able to resolve the city issues, but I believe the matters that he has pending and in addition to cannot be resolved by the MOU. So if you can zoom into 334, just let us know or zoom on in, or the judge is going to resolve it some other way. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. I don't think I ever gave you the number to the APA.
Oh, I have.
Oh, you do? I figured you did. I was like, she stretched so thin though, you know?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Okay, cool.
Eco. County. Okay, I emailed her a copy of the ticket. That's it. Down in the line. Getting them, they getting their money's worth today. Working 3 quarters.
Yeah, I noticed that. But
She don't know if she can do it. I said, oh, you gonna learn fast. We all had to deal with it.
you know, and I have to do that too. And I remember when I first started, you know, my colleagues, you know, the ones who've been here, you know, but you remember Andre, you know, and be like, you know, we get there, we can get there, you know.
He's still talking?
Yeah.
So what I'm supposed to do? I'm gonna go to Robbins or no? Just stay
Yeah,
here?
I would say go to Robin. He was like, keep flowing, Joe.
I know, I'm earning my money today.
Yeah.
All right, so.
Just lose. Hey, Judge was on. You got somebody or Judge? Okay, what you on? Oh, like somebody stopped Judge in the hall. On the Friday out there. Good. Hey, she out there.
Oh, I.
She back out there. She was talking. She all big.
Oh, my goodness.
She about to have it.
Mm-hmm. Going down. We got one set for motion hearing tomorrow. Should I give this to Judge now so she can review?
Yeah, she probably need to review it. She probably don't have it.
No, I got it all right here. You go look at that. That's what Attorney Medina.
Ms. Pompey, you on mute right now. Mr. Banks. Mr. Banks. Anthony Banks. Anthony Banks, can you hear me?
No, no, that's Miss Reed. Miss Reed. Miss Reed. It's Angela Reed. I mean, Angela, her name is Angela Red. I keep on calling her Reed. I don't know why I keep doing that.
Okay, so she rename her then. She must have checked out.
I am Miss Red. What happened?
I don't know. I'm still waiting.
Okay, well, he's still talking to people too. So he will get to you real.
Matter of fact, she was next. And she jumped out because he's in 18. He was going to 19 next.
Okay, I'm still in there.
Well, go back.
I'm still in there on another one. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Danielle. I unlocked the meeting because that's the way he'd been coming back. So as soon as when you see him disappear from a room, he's coming back through the waiting room, and I met him. That's the way I've been doing it. I thought Ms. Banks, I thought that was somebody just checking in. I was getting ready to tell them they got a new court date.
And we still going live on YouTube. Could you not turn it off? Wait a minute.
Yeah.